In this video, I will show you step by step how you can make an image circular inside Canva. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to head over to google.com, and then from here I will just go ahead and search for a person on a webcam, for example. Now, as you can see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these photos, I'm going to click on it, I will then right click on copy image, go back over to Canva, and from here I will click on Command and V or Control V if you're on Windows. And here is that image right now. So what we now need to do is we want to take the image, for example. So leave the image right here. And then you want to head over to Elements. Once we go to Elements, you would then need to search for Frame. And then once we search for Frame, you can then go ahead and click on Search All. And here is all the different shapes that you can use. So for example, if we use a circle, I will put this onto my project. And then all we simply need to do is take this image right here, click and drag and drop this into our frame, and as you can see, this has now made this specific image circular. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can make an image circular on Canva.